Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the flip through of the Valentine's journal that I made during the challenge we are running in the Facebook group, LineDotArrow Facebook group, hashtag LDA Valentines with an M. And I used 2 kits and additional things from other kits. Some I don't know the name anymore of, but there's little embellishment pieces. And in the previous video, I made 2 envelopes that are incorporated in this journal, and I used vintage florals and some tags of the vintage Victorian beauties. So you know. Yeah, the journal. It was like a tryout for me, a concept journal, because I wanted to try something different. I have a whole series on how I made this. The only thing that you didn't see me do on camera, which I said I was going to do on camera, but I forgot to film it, is making a closure. But the closure was already this, and I just added it on a different elastic. I made this off camera, and I think, oh, I put on all the laces. Sorry. And I also had to reinforce the sides of the journal, but I will show you when I do the flip through. First, let me show you the outside. This is the outside, and this is the back side. And as you can see, there are things tucked in between, because this can be taken out. And you saw me make this on the channel, and there is I think it's a notary sheet in, and it's from the Real Vintage Papers kit that I have also added listed in my Etsy, but I tuck it in here. These 2 background file folder thingies, I don't know which kit it is anymore. I really don't know. If you want to know, I can find it, but it's, I think it's, I don't know. I'm sorry, I have too many kits. So this is the closure, but first let me take out the envelopes. You saw me make these in previous videos, and there are tags included. Well, embellishment pieces. These go in here. You can also put all the little bits and pieces that I have between the closure in the journal itself. But I thought it would be fun to put it on the outside. You saw me make this envelope on the previous video. I hope I didn't glue it shut. Almost. And these are all from, and also the little tag and the thing that's inside, these are from the Victorian beauties, the vintage Victorian beauties. And it closes like this. So these are 3 separate things. Then I made string binding. Originally it was below. I wanted to do something below, but it didn't feel right, so I had to redo the binding of the journal pages, the signatures, and now it's on top. And you can also, if you want to change it, or you can still untie it, and if you want to have more tension or less tension. There's a heart on it. Originally I had 2 hearts, but I have a broken heart because this one broke. I hope this one doesn't break. But I found another heart in my stash, this one that I dyed with alcohol ink, and I added a bolt pin, a key, and one of my charms that I made. I think 6 years ago. I made hundreds of these from old pieces of jewelry. I was just talking today to Suzanne about these, and I came across these when I put on these beads, and I thought, well, maybe I can put one on. The closure I made from a piece of elastic, and this is a doily, and I just added some stuff and did some sewing, and this is just a knot. So this is an elastic thing you can put over here. Yeah, the journal has like an inside, so this is an envelope and this is an envelope, and there are no pockets in the envelopes. But what I did was made some hinges, and I did put on the washi off camera. So that was the 3rd thing I did off camera. And these can be flipped, but you can still write on the back side. So I thought it was kind of fun. Then there is a tag. They also saw me make this on camera. I have this little girl in here. Slide it into the pocket, and I have these 3 bits and pieces, and these are all from the Valentine's kit and the add-on. And the Valentine's kit is available in my Etsy, and the add-on is in my Ko-fi. And at the moment I'm running a sale, and it's going to last until the end of today. If you buy 6 digital items, you will receive a discount of 50% when you do the checkout. So you don't have to put in a coupon or anything. It's just a Valentine's sale, because, well, you are always there for me, and I want to do something back. Turn this little card into a pocket. Oh, I forgot. I have pockets in here, and I didn't put anything in. I completely forgot. Okay, these have 2 pockets. That's really stupid. Maybe I can, because there's a lot in these. Maybe I can put a tag from this one in here. Yeah, I can. And the other one, yeah, I'm going to put the other one in there, in the other one. So I completely forgot it had pockets, and I didn't put anything in. That's really silly, I forgot. Well, oh, you could also put the envelope in, now that I think of it. Yeah, but I'm going to put in the tag. You can also put something else in there. So the first page is, like I call it, my LDA Nathalie polyclosure page. Also a thing that I just thought of while crafting. And there are little bits and pieces in here. And 2 tags. This is actually from another kit. I don't know which kit anymore. I'm sorry. I have so many kits. And I have these. And these go in the top pocket. And then it closes like so. And I have a video on how I made this. And then there are pages in here with goodies, another tag. This is also from another kit. Not sure which one. This is from the Valentine's kit. And then we have this. Okay, I have to add just a little bit of glue on this page. I didn't glue it together the right way. Sometimes this happens. But nothing glue can't fix. So it has 2 signatures. And it has an elastic binding. So you can take out pages. And we have this one, this flips out. This one, this little journaling card. Added a heart with the word love. Another page over here. This is the other half of the LDA policy page. And then we have these tags in here. This is from another kit, and to be honest, I don't know which kit anymore. I have over 100 now in the shop, and I don't know all the names. I think it's an older version because it was in a box from long time ago. A little envelope that comes with the kit. I printed it on vellum. No, it has to go this way, and then close it. So we have this, and like I said, it's an elastic binding, so you can take things out. Second signature with a flippy thingy. This is printed on tracing paper, and I put the tracing paper and the vellum in off camera. I showed you the prints, but I didn't put them in. I put them in before I did the flip through. Another page. Here I have a large tag with a pocket, and these tags, the other side of the vellum, The middle piece, oh sorry, it was kind of loud. Another side of the vellum. I think these are from freebies that are available in my Facebook group, if I'm correct. There's also a ledger paper and a few more tags that comes with these. More pages, tracing paper, final paper, and these came with the border like so, and that's the one I fuzzy cut with the tiny Tim Holtz scissors, but it was too large, so I cut it over here and I kept this. So I did all the fuzzy cutting for nothing. Oh, I also added a washi strip over here and some lace and some cluster I found in my stash. And over here I did the same. Okay, I need to cut off this little thread. So, oh well, apparently we have a pocket here I forgot about. Yes. Okay, and then we have this tag. We made this pocket together, and I have made this cluster, and this is also from, I think this is from the Pocket Tag Mini project. Butterfly. And then at the back we also have the flips. And these are all in the kits and the add-on. And then the final tag is this one. This is a window, and you can put it in from underneath and then take it up like so and put it in a pocket. And this is the back side, the spine, front side, and this is the closure. And this can go in front, and you could also put this in front if you want to. That's an option too, but I prefer this one. And oh, what I did, I forgot to tell you, I did add lace over here, and I'd sew it again, this piece and this piece, but it was, these ends were a little bit flimsy, so I took a piece of cardstock the same width and length as the lace, and then I sewed this together on here, so it's more sturdy, so it can hold the closure and it doesn't bend or break. Yeah, put this in here, and I had this at the back, but you can also put these in the pockets, of course, but I thought it looked fun like this, and it does look like fun. So yeah, this is the journal. And well, the exciting news that I have to tell you is I will be doing a giveaway with this journal. So if you would like to win, if you want to win this journal, you can, but you have to do stuff. I'm giving it away for free, but I'm not giving it away easy. So I have here a sheet with how to enter this giveaway. It is called the LDA Valentines giveaway. It's hosted by me, by LineDotArrow, and you have to do 2 things. Well, you have to do 5 things, but on 2 separate platforms. First one is YouTube, and the second one is the Facebook group. Like this video, just like this flip through video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment underneath this video why you want this journal, why you want to win this journal, and you have to use the hashtag LDA Valentines in your comment. The second step is on Facebook. I'm going to post this video in the Facebook group. Oh, there's a flip through. And that post, you have to like that post or give it a heart or a thumbs up or whatever you want, but you have to do something that is an expression of liking it. And the second thing you need to do underneath that post is leaving a comment on this post why you want to win this journal using the hashtag LDA Valentines in your comments. So you're sort of doing the same thing. So you have to do 5 little steps, and for some of you it's not really a step, but some of you already like my videos, some of you already subscribed, so you only have to leave a comment. Some of you already like the post when I posted in the Facebook group, so you only need to leave a comment using the hashtag. So it's not a lot of work, but you need to do all these. And like I said, to enter you have to complete all the steps, so these, and you can enter until the 23rd of February. So you have for about a week, and I will do the winners drawing, but it will not be on the 21, but it will be maybe in the weekend, but I will announce it on time so you know when the giveaway is. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. And you're already halfway to enter. But yeah, if you want to join in this giveaway, please go through all the steps, and this journal can be yours. And I do have to say, I'm pretty happy about how it turned out, and especially the dangle. I was really heartbroken when the other heart broke. But I came up with a great solution. And the other thing I'm very happy about is to cover up the elastic thingies. Usually I have them sticking out a little, and I thought, well, why don't I put a little ribbon on it? And then this gives it gives it something extra. I really enjoy making it. I had a lot of fun finishing it. So yeah, this is it for today. Stay safe, stay creative. Thank you very much for watching. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.